Hello, myself Dr. Ravi Kumar, our Associate Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Kodagu, in Karnataka. So I just want to share the feedback about the completed workshop about the forensic ballistics and firearm that was conducted by the Applied Forensic Research Sciences. So it was a good experience with all the scholars sharing their knowledge and even answering the queries during the lectures. The topics were relevant to the forensic ballistics and firearm, but was more on ballistics, that is proximal ballistics and intermediate ballistics. So they could have added still more lectures on the wound ballistics also. But however, it was a good workshop. I'm happy to share my feedback and I'm hoping to join still more other classes also. Thank you.
Hello, myself Sharma, BSc Forensic second year student from Sanskriti University, Mathura. I am completed my 1 month internship program from AFRS Institute and I learned so many things regarding forensic ballistic during my internship session and I am very thankful to them. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir. I am Nikita Kumari. My intern ID is 7. I'd like to thank first of all the faculties, those who are teaching us from last 1 month. I really liked the session of Arjun sir. Thank you so much, sir. It's very interesting. Actually, how you teach us, it's make me to come to your class more eagerly. That okay, sir is coming, so I should join that. I like that you first make us understand the previous sessions, then you started the new sessions. I like that the more. I also like the Shalini's ma'am class, and not only these two, everyone who have joined to our classes, they actually make us understand every single doubts of us, every single thing. They, in fact, the case studies that you have introduced to us, the all the discussion with everyone, you make us understand one by one. You always ask us ki, what's your doubt, how is it. So I like that, and for the first time I'm doing online internship like this ki we have to submit our reports and there's feedback videos. It's for the first time I like this the more. And thank you so much once again for making us understand every single dots and details, every corners of the ballistics. And thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sharma and I am a first year in BSc Forensic Science in RR Institutions, Bangalore. And this is my first ever meeting with AFRS for Forensic Ballistics, and I really enjoyed that a lot, and it was really informative as well. And all of the experts who came there for the meeting, and they explained in a way that everyone understand, whether it is a MSc student, BSc student, or anyone. And overall I really enjoyed it a lot. And I this is because this is my first ever meeting, I don't think I find any flaws there, and the meeting was really perfect for me. So this is my feedback video for the forensic ballistics. So thank you
Everyone, my name is Shaki, a forensic science undergrad from Jain University, Bangalore. I have successfully completed my 1 month online training program organized by Applied Forensic Research Sciences. The topic was Forensic Ballistics and Firearms, which took place from 20th August to 20th September 2024. I'd like to give my sincere gratitude to Sir Rakesh Mia, founder of AFRS, for providing this opportunity for aspiring students like myself and professionals alike in understanding the fundamentals involved in forensic ballistics. My heartfelt thanks to the staff as well as the volunteers for making this experience sail smoothly, from the group discussions to providing support however necessary. The only constructive feedback I have for the future sessions is implementing more group discussions as well as additional support materials or references to be sent so we can self-learn too. That aside, this really helped me strengthen my goal to pursue my master's in the same subject. So thank you again for your dedication to providing quality training. Your efforts are valued, and I'm confident with these suggestions, future sessions will continue to improve. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Shreya Rajbharti. I'm currently pursuing BSc in Forensic Science from Jharkhand Raksha Shakti University, and recently I have completed my 1 month online training program on the topic Forensic Ballistics from AFRS, where I got to know many new things about forensic ballistics, which further enhanced and upgraded my knowledge regarding it. And in fact, I would also like to present my gratitude towards Ayushi ma'am and Megha ma'am and other teachers too for their very kind gesture during the entire training program. So that's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mala, studying third year Forensic Science, Region Arts College, Dindikkal. I have done 1 month online training program on forensic ballistics. The explanation was really good and they are speaking like a friend, so we can able to ask our queries and easy to communicate with them. Thank you AFRS for creating a valuable session and training program. Thank you so much.